The inventor of the Rubik's Cube, Erno Rubik, took a month to solve his puzzle after creating it. A Hungarian architect and design professor, Rubik invented the cube in 1974 to help his students understand three-dimensional movement. Initially called the Magic Cube, the puzzle consisted of 54 colorful squares arranged on a 3x3x3 rotating structure. However, after scrambling it for the first time, Rubik realized he didn't know the solution. It took him several weeks of experimentation to figure out how to return the cube to its original state. Once he solved it, he recognized its potential as a challenging and engaging puzzle. The cube was later renamed the Rubik's Cube and became one of the best-selling toys in history, fascinating millions of people worldwide with its complex yet solvable design. Elephants are the only animals that can't jump, a unique trait that sets them apart from other mammals. Unlike smaller animals, which use jumping for agility and escape, elephants are too large and heavy to lift all 4 feet off the ground at once. Their leg structure plays a major role. Elephants have thick pillar-like legs with limited flexibility, designed to support their massive weight rather than allow for quick, explosive movements. Additionally, they lack the necessary leg tendons and muscle structure to generate the force required for jumping. However, despite this limitation, elephants are strong, fast, and skillful movers. They can run at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour by moving their legs in a walking-like motion. Their unique build keeps them stable, making jumping unnecessary for survival in the wild. The smell of freshly cut grass is a plant distress signal, not just a pleasant scent. When grass is cut or damaged, it releases a mixture of chemicals called greenleaf volatiles or GLVs. These compounds serve multiple purposes. They help the plant heal, deter herbivores, and even signal nearby plants to prepare for potential threats. These distress signals can sometimes attract beneficial insects, such as predators that feed on plant-eating pests. While humans often associate the scent with freshness and the outdoors, it is a reaction to injury for the grass. Scientists continue to study these chemical signals to understand how plants communicate and defend themselves. This fascinating natural response highlights how plants, though silent, have intricate ways of responding to their environment and ensuring their survival. Some cats are allergic to human, though it is quite rare. Just as people can be allergic to cat dander, cats can develop allergies to human-related allergens such as perfumes, cigarette smoke, dust, dandruff, and even certain skincare products. These allergies are not caused by human skin or hair, but rather by the substances that accumulate on them. Cats with allergies may show symptoms like sneezing, coughing, itchy skin, watery eyes, or excessive grooming. Vets may diagnose these allergies through observation and sometimes skin or blood tests. Reducing exposure, such as using unscented products and keeping the home clean, can help manage symptoms if a cat is allergic to something in its environment. While it may seem ironic, just as humans react to cats, some cats can also be sensitized to the world around them, including people. There is a town in Norway where the sun doesn't set for 2 months, a phenomenon known as the midnight sun. This occurs in Tromsø, located above the Arctic Circle, where the sun remains visible 24 hours a day from late May to late July. This happens because of the Earth's axial tilt, which causes the Arctic region to receive continuous sunlight during summer. The opposite effect, known as the polar night, occurs in winter when the sun doesn't rise for several weeks. The midnight sun attracts tourists and allows locals to enjoy outdoor activities at any hour, from hiking to fishing, even in the middle of the night. This natural wonder is a unique feature of life in northern Norway, offering an extraordinary experience of endless daylight. The Q in Q-tip stands for quality, reflecting the brand's emphasis on high standards. Originally called Baby Gaze when they were first introduced in the 1920s, the name was later changed to Q-tips Baby Gaze and eventually shortened to just Q-tips. The product was invented by Leo Gerstenzang, who was inspired by his wife using cotton wrapped around a toothpick to clean their baby's ears. Wanting to create a safer and more convenient alternative, he developed pre-made cotton swabs with wooden sticks, which later transitioned to paper or plastic. Today, Q-tips are commonly used for personal care, cleaning, makeup application, arts and crafts, and even medical purposes. While many people use the term Q-tip generically, it remains a trademarked brand name known for its quality cotton swabs. Some fish can recognize human faces, a surprising ability that challenges the notion that fish have limited cognitive skills. Studies have shown that particular species, such as archerfish and cichlids, can accurately distinguish between different human faces. In experiments, archerfish were trained to spit water at images of specific human faces, and they consistently identified the correct ones even when facial features were altered. This suggests that fish possess advanced visual processing abilities despite lacking the complex brain structures in mammals and birds. Scientists believe this skill may help fish identify predators, recognize social group members, or navigate their environment. The discovery highlights the intelligence of fish and challenges assumptions about their cognitive abilities, proving that even underwater creatures can engage in sophisticated recognition and learning processes. The first recorded use of OMG was in a 1917 letter to Winston Churchill, long before the internet and text messaging popularized the abbreviation. The letter was written by Admiral John Arbuthnot Fisher, a British naval officer who used OMG to express excitement. In the letter, Fisher wrote, "I hear that a new order of knighthood is on the tapis. OMG, shower it on the Admiralty." This early use of OMG shows that even more than a century ago, people were already using abbreviations to convey emotions in writing. While it remained obscure for decades, the rise of digital communication, especially texting and online messaging, made OMG one of the most widely used expressions of surprise or excitement. This fascinating historical detail proves modern slang often has much older origins than expected. The world's deepest postbox is located in Susami Bay, Japan, 10 meters underwater. Installed in 1999 as part of a local tourism promotion, this unique postbox allows divers to send waterproof postcards from beneath the sea. A specially trained diver regularly empties the postbox, and all mail is processed just like letters from a regular postbox. Since its installation, the underwater postbox has become popular, drawing thousands of divers who want to experience unusually mailing a letter. The postcards are written with oil-based waterproof markers to keep the messages intact. Recognized by the Guinness World Records as the deepest operational postbox in the world, it serves as both a fun novelty and a testament to Japan's creativity in blending tourism with everyday life. Baby koalas, called joeys, eat their mother's poop as part of their early development. This unique substance, known as pap, is a nutrient-rich, partially digested form of the mother's feces that helps the joey transition from a milk-only diet to eating eucalyptus leaves, which are challenging, fibrous, and toxic to most animals. Since a newborn koala's digestive system is not yet equipped to break down the toxic compounds in eucalyptus, consuming pap allows the joey to absorb beneficial bacteria from its mother's gut. These microbes help the baby digest eucalyptus safely and extract leaf nutrients. While it may seem unpleasant, this process is essential for the survival of young koalas. Without pap, they would not develop the necessary gut flora to handle their highly specialized diet, making this a crucial step in their growth.